Okay, here's our layout for the kitchen. So if we remove the columns left and right of the opening in between here, we can see what we're looking at. And with this wall behind the sink, we can shorten that down so 100 inches. The front door being here. If you put a pantry on this side, but you can see how much more of an open look we would have. And a 42-inch countertop that would be placed here. So this is a Lazy Susan cabinet in the corner. Sink cabinet, dishwasher to the right. 30-inch range, a tray divider for cookie sheets. The microwave would be mounted here. A large drawer for pots and pans. Your refrigerator with legs that enclose it. A pantry cabinet to the left. Uppers. And the pantry cabinet that is on the other side of the kitchen that is 36 inches wide. And I've got this wall right here at about 75 inches. But let me know what you think of this. This should help to give you just an idea of what it looks like if we opened all of that up, which I think would look a lot better. One option would be if you wanted another drawer stack to the right of the dishwasher that's right here. Is right now it's 100 inches. Lazy Susan, sink, dishwasher, and then there's a panel on the side of the dishwasher to cover it. So if we increase this to maybe 112, you could get a little another drawer stack right here. All right, thank you.